Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the topic of management and leadership. This falls under business ventures, so is often asked in paper too. So the first thing we need to know is we need to know the meaning of management and the meaning of leadership, right? Besides that, we are going to have to be able to compare these two concepts, management and leadership. The next area is leadership styles. And if we look at leadership styles, you can see that we have 5 of them. So with each of these leadership styles, you're going to be able to identify them. You have to evaluate their impact on a business, as well as recommend which leadership style should be used for specific scenarios. Again, when I said you need to be able to identify them, you'll be given a scenario and then asked what type of leadership style is used in this scenario. And the 5 leadership styles are democratic, autocratic, laissez-faire, charismatic, and transactional. The next thing that you're going to be asked is leadership theories. Now with the leadership theories, there are 4 of them. We have leaders and followers, we have situational leadership theory, transformational, as well as transitional. So for these 4 leadership theories, you'll need to be able to explain and discuss them, all right, so that you can identify them well, and then again identify them from given scenarios or from statements. And lastly, we're going to look at the role of personal attitude in successful leadership. What does that mean? You need to identify the role of personal attitude in successful leaderships from given scenarios. And that is a very quick wrap-up and overview of what management and leadership is about. So you can see it's broken up into 4 areas: the meaning and differentiating between them, leadership styles, leadership theories, and then the role of the personal attitude. All the best!